if you and your family are considering getting TSA PreCheck, please don't get scammed. So let me give you a little help. We do hundreds of background checks every week. Part of what we do is we help give advice on how to take care of TSA PreCheck. There are several sites out there that are scam sites. I am going to provide you the only place you really need to go to get your TSA PreCheck done in 2 links below. But if you go to Google and you type in TSA PreCheck, what's going to happen is you're going to get about 4 sites that are going to come up immediately. And there's a Gov+ site as well. It's not the government. We probably have 3 people a day here personally that come in that have gotten scammed by the TSA PreCheck. So if you're going to get a TSA PreCheck done, I'm going to give you a couple links below. Those are the links that you need to go to in order to get your TSA PreCheck that are not scam sites. If anybody's asking you to pay anywhere between $100 to $150 or more ahead of time, it is a scam. The TSA PreCheck enrollment today, as of June 1st, 2023, does not accept or require or ask for any prepayment for your TSA PreCheck online. So keep that, it's good information. And then when you come in, make sure there's a couple things you bring. You want to bring a government issued ID, whether state or federal, that has your current name, preferably your current address on it as well, along with a birth certificate. And if you're a female and you've had name changes, you want to have all the documents that have any name changes associated with you, whether it's a divorce decree, name change decree, or whether it is your marriage certificate. And it needs to be a, again, notarized certified copy. It cannot just be a photocopy. And if you have a passport already, the passport will meet all of the requirements. Just make sure before you come in that it's not been expired. Expiration is a problem. Just be smart when you're online, searching around, hunting around. Be smart when you're Googling. Do not go to a Gov+ site, and check the links below. Those will send you where you need to go to get your real TSA PreCheck. Hey, do us a favor, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.